Hi children, today you are going to learn 6th class, that is chapter number 6, integers. In this integers, already we have discussed what is meaning of integers, what is the basic operations on integers, and exercise number 6.1 and 6.2 we have discussed. Now we are going to be discuss about 6.3 and 6.4 in this video. So these are the very easy, and if you are gone through the 6.1 and 2 and basic operations of integers, it will be very easy to solve. There will be number lines in this. See that add the following integers using number line. The bit is one. First bit is add the following integers using number line. Using number line. See that first one, 7 plus of minus 6. 7 plus of minus 6. So we normally do it in the calculation. We do in the calculation. We also do in the number line. Or not directly we go on the number line. See that it is an integer number line. So it will be a 0. Right side of the 0 always we take the positive number 1. 2, 3, 4. See that? Now 5, 6, 7, 8. It is enough. Now we come here this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 0 right side there is a positive number, 0 left side there is a negative numbers, minus numbers. Here it is positive numbers. Always remember the plus numbers will be represented this side. Minus, when you say the minus, you have to move the left side. When you say plus, you have to move right. When you say minus, you have to move left. So it is a which 7, there is no symbol, always plus is symbol. Always you start from the 0. Always starting from 0, you have to go to 7. Remember, always you have to start from the 0 and go to the 7th step. From there, minus 6, you have to come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to come here till from 7 to minus 6 steps we have gone. Here plus 7, that is minus 6. That equal to answer 1. When you go here, 1. You have to show the arrow marks how I have drawn here. In the same way. Okay. Let me go for the second one so that you can understand little more. You can clarify your doubts. Here minus 8 plus half minus 2. Okay. We should know the basic operations. Here also we can do it like this. Here 7 plus into minus is minus 6. That equal to 1. You got the 1 same. Here also we do it first. Minus 8 plus into minus is minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. This will be our answer. See, on the number line also we have to get the same. So we are getting in the negative number. We got a negative number, no? Minus number. So minus side we write more numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Again minus 2 are there. I have to improve like that. Minus 9, minus 10. This is enough. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. In the question there is no plus numbers. Both are minus only. Yes, these are this. First minus 8 is there. 0 to minus 8. You come to 0 to minus 8 like this. Okay. 0 to minus 8 again plus minus 2 again. Here also you can see, or here you can see, no problem. Here minus 2. Again you come to the minus 2 steps. Minus in the sense left side only. Okay. Then where we reached at minus 10 we reached. Okay, our answer is what? Minus 10. Is it balanced? Yes. So in this way we can represent. See, we can use the number line in this way. So whatever the numbers they give, you have to see either it is a plus or minus. Plus in the sense you have to move right side, minus in the sense you have to move the left side. That's what. Let me go for the third one. Here minus 6 plus minus 5 plus plus 2. So let us simplify this. It is a minus 6. Plus into minus, minus 5. It is a plus into plus is plus 2. Let us simplify. This what we need to be represented here. Okay. Minus 6, minus 11. The second step always you represent on the number line. It is a minus 11. It is plus 2. 2 minus 11 is minus 9. We have to get 9 minus 9 as the answer. Let's see. Suppose it is a number line. Always we use the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive side we doesn't have much numbers. Only one number is positive. Remaining are negative. So negative side I will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Again I will go like that. Minus 11, minus 12 like that. Okay, now we go through the question. Always you have to use number line with pencil. Remember, we have to use only pencil. Here first to second step is that. Minus 6. Minus 6 in the sense from 0 to here we have to go minus 6. Okay. Then after again minus 5. Here. Wherever you see it is minus 5. Minus in the sense left side again. How many? 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's come to the level. As we know, it is minus 6. It is minus 5 steps. Next to plus 2. In the sense we have to move right side. How many steps? 2 steps. 1 and 2. Here till 9 I have to 1 step and 2 steps. Here plus 2. Where we are start now? At minus 9. That is our answer. See. Okay. I will make you to understand by taking one more example. Here minus 8 plus of minus 9 plus of plus 17. See that this question I am going to be do it here now. Okay, let's look at this question. First let us simplify here. This step is important. Minus 8 plus into minus, minus 9 plus into plus 7. Okay, let us simplify. Minus 8 to minus 9 now, minus 17. Here it is plus 7. That is equal to 0. That means we are going to get 0 on the number line. This is called simplification. This is on the number line. Both we have to get same answer. Okay. Now let me take. However, I am going to get negative values more. So positive values I will take some less. Negative values are more. So I will take here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, like that. Okay, I have got it. This is enough. Now first is what? Minus 8 step. This is simplification I have done. Let's see, we got by simplification we got 0. We have to get 0 on the number line also. By the simplification I got minus 9. By on the number line also I got minus 9. This is what. This they did not ask, but to check I have done. Okay, from 0 to how many here? Minus 8 step. Minus in the sense we have to move the left side. This is minus 8 steps I gave. From there minus 9 steps. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the sense I have to reach 17. Start. Come to the 17 with a minus 9 steps. I have to move again plus 17 steps. Plus 17 in the sense will move to the 0. Plus 17. I hope you understood what I have done here clearly. This is what the number line we have to do it. And the number line in this way we have to do it. And there are some more questions similarly in this bit that you need to follow. Same on the number line we have to do this. I hope you understood the number line very well. Or not, once again you go back and see that what I have done clearly. Okay. Children, you should not make a mistake. Here number lines always you have to represent by using pencil. Okay. Without using number line. Second bit is that. Second bit, add without using number line. Number line. Without using number line in the sense, I have done before here, this side, the same thing we have to do it simplification we say. That we call as a simplification. First one, 10 place of minus 3. This already I have explained this before, basic operations of integers. You must watch the video, basic operations of integers in my channel. It is there in the basic classes in playlist. Okay, that you need to be observed. Basic operations of integers, that if you see, there will be no doubt in the 6.3 and 6.4 complete I have done there itself. You will get a more idea about that. Here 10, here plus, here bracket is 6 into, plus into minus is minus 3. As we know, from 10 we can subtract 3, no? We get 7. Without doing number line, I got it as a 7. This is what called simplification actually. Here next question, minus 10 plus of plus 60. So let me go for here, minus 10 plus into plus is plus 16. From 16 you subtract 10, it's possible, that is plus 6 or 6. 6 or plus 6 you can write. Then the third one is that minus 8 plus of plus 8. See that here it is minus 8, plus into plus is plus 8. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. From 8 you subtract 8, we get 0. Then we go for fourth question in that now. Minus 215 plus of plus 100. See, minus 215 plus into plus is plus 100. 100 minus 215 is minus 115. Only plus or minus, additions, subtractions, you need to do it. Okay. Then we go for, similarly you do the remaining questions from the second bit. I hope you understood what I have done. The same thing we have to do it in the second bit. Only 2 questions are left. The 2 questions you do it. Okay. In the first bit also 2 questions I left that you need to do as a homework. Then that you practice, you get more. Find the sum of, find the sum in the sense same again we have to find the addition. The first question, 120 and minus 274. What we need to find sum? Sum in the sense plus, you remember, sum in the sense plus. So 120, sum in the sense plus of minus 274. I am doing sum for these 2 given numbers. Okay, these are the given numbers. I am doing sum, plus into minus, minus 274. See that from 120 you subtract the 274, it's not possible. So what you will get? Minus 154 you will get as the answer. Same again, the same kind of problems we are doing it. But here given that, do the sum. Second one, minus 68 and 28. Minus 68 plus 28. I am adding the 28. 28 minus 68 is minus 40. From 28 you subtract 68, it's not possible. From 28, 68, from the 28, how can we subtract 68? We can, but we get in the negative. That's what. And the third question here, minus 29, comma, 38 and 190. You see here, minus 29, I am adding sum of 38, sum 190. All these numbers we need to add, simple. Okay, then let us add first to these plus numbers. Minus 29 plus 190 plus 38, 228. 228. So here let's subtract 228 minus 29. Here it is 1 and it is 18. From 18 you subtract 9, you will get 9. From 21 you subtract 2. From 21 you subtract 2, you will get 90. Minus 100, sorry, 199. 199. Okay, let me go for the fourth question here in the same. Minus 60, comma, minus 100 and 300. All the products from the third bit. Minus 60 here plus minus 100 plus 300. I am doing plus minus 100 plus 300 because I have to do the sum. Okay, let's take it now. Minus 60 plus into minus minus 100 plus 300. See that minus 60 minus 100 both are minus, so we get minus, that is minus 160 plus 300. So what we get here, plus 140. From 300 subtract 160, 300 minus 160, it is a 140. It's possible, yes. So that is what here. Then we'll be having fourth bit now. In the fourth bit, same thing we are going to do it. Now in the fourth bit, the same thing what I have done here, the same thing I am going to be doing it in the fourth bit. Just we go through the fourth bit and see. Simplify the first one. Minus 6 plus half minus 10 plus 5 plus 70. Let us simplify this. Lot of numbers are there, not to worry. Let's go for first, it is minus 6. Plus into minus minus 10. Here as it is we'll write 5 plus 70. Here there are two negative numbers, two minus numbers, two plus numbers are there. Let us add the minus numbers and let us add the plus numbers separately. Here we get minus 16. Here you get plus 22. From 22 you subtract 16. We get 6 as an answer. From 22 minus 16 is 6. Okay, second one. 30 plus half minus 30 plus half minus 60 plus half minus 80. See that first 30 you write as it is. Plus into minus minus 30. Plus into minus minus 60. Plus into minus minus 80. Okay. Now see that simple. Here there is a plus 30. Is a here or not here plus number you write as it is. All these minus numbers you add it. Minus 30 minus 60 minus 90. Minus 90 minus 18 minus 108. Minus 180. So 30 minus 108 is minus 78. Minus 78. 30 minus 108. From 30 you subtract 108, you get minus 78. Minus 78. And there is a third problem here, that is minus 80 plus half plus 40 plus half minus 30 plus half plus 6. Here minus 80 plus into plus is plus 40, plus into minus is minus 30, plus into plus is plus 6. So where is the negative numbers first? Here there is a negative number, here there is a negative number. That way they both are minus numbers. Minus 80 minus 30 minus 110. 40 plus 6, 46. Yes, 46. So what you will get at last? Here 110 minus 110 as 46. You subtract here, it is a 10 and 0. So 10 minus 4 is, 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 10 minus 4 is 6. 64. Which 64 minus 64? 46 minus 110. 46 minus 110. Here minus 110 plus 46 is there. So in this way you are feeling difficulty. So take in this way. 46 minus 110 is minus 64. Okay. 46 minus 110. 46 minus 110 is minus 64. These are very useful for your career, because this kind of problems should not make it mistake a simple problem mistake will makes big loss. Okay, should not do a simple mistakes. These are the simple calculations. 70 plus into minus minus 18 plus into minus minus 10 plus into minus 70. Add all negative values first. It is a plus. There is nothing but plus only. This is all negative. Minus 18 minus 10 minus 28 minus 28 plus 17. 28 plus 7, that is 35, and 45 minus 45. So here 70 minus 45 is 25 plus 25. From 70 we can subtract the 45. So we get 25. See that these are the simple calculations. Yes, I hope you understood these simplifications. Yes, there will be some more simplifications in the exercise number 6.4. In the exercise number 6.4, we will be going to learn the same thing again about the simplifications only. Okay, and we'll learn that first bit in the 6.4, find the first question, 40 minus 22. 40 minus 22 is 18. Simple, no? Very simple. Then second one, 84 minus 98. You don't worry that you got a bracket here. It is nothing but a plus 98. 84 minus into plus minus 98. Okay. From 84 you subtract 98. No, we cannot subtract. But we can subtract when you get a negative integer. 84 minus 98 is minus 14. The third question is that minus 16 plus of minus 17. That equal to minus 16 plus into minus 17. That equal to minus 16 minus 17 minus 33. See that? What kind of problems we got? Same again, simple problems, very simple problems. Just should not make a mistake for these simple calculations only. You get lot of basics in only 7th class, sorry 6th class and 7th class only. Okay, later we will be having very big problems. Here plus 30, nothing but if there is no symbol before the number, in the sense always plus. Minus into plus is minus 13. Minus 20 minus 13. 13, that is minus 33. Then the fifth question, 38 minus of minus 6. So here 38 minus into minus plus, that is 6. So it become 44 plus 44 plus 38 plus 6 plus 44. Then the sixth question, minus 17 minus of minus 36. So minus 17 minus into minus plus 36. See that what you will get here, 36 minus 17. That you will get as a 19. That will get as a 19 as a answer. Simple. From 36 you subtract the 17, you will get 19 as a answer. Okay. Then the first bit is completed. The second bit is here. Second bit, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with approximate greater than or less than or equal sign. Okay, either you use greater than symbol or less than symbol or equal symbol in the following questions. The first question is that minus 4 plus of minus 5 is dash to the minus 5 of minus 4. Let's see the problem. We'll go through the problem and say either they are equal or greater than or less than. First to this side we will do it. It is minus 4 plus into minus 5. minus 4 minus 5, it is a minus 9 we are getting. So we are getting here minus 9. This side answer is we got minus 9. In the mind itself you do it. Here minus 5, minus into minus plus 4. Here you will getting 4 minus 5 is minus 1. See that here it is a minus 9, here it is a minus 1. So let me write here. This will be minus 9 dash minus 1. This I change the name. That means I rechange the question like this in the 2 steps. So which is greater? See, minus 9 is less, smaller than minus 1. We already discussed. In negative number, the smaller number will be having greater value. So this is greater. So minus 9 is less than minus 1. That means since minus 4 place of minus 5 is less than minus 5 minus of minus 4. Okay. Second question. Minus 16 minus of minus 23 is equal to minus 6 plus of minus 12. So let us simplify here. Minus 16 minus of minus, that is plus 23. So here what we get here 7. You are getting the answer as a 7 here. So plus 7. The sum is you will be getting a 7 dash. Here this side will do it. Minus 6 plus into minus minus 12, that equal to minus 18 you are getting. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So see which is greater? This 7, always positive number is greater than negative number. So the same thing will come for question also. This is not necessary actually. Directly we have to do in the rough work. Okay. So as you people to understand, I am writing like this. To understand you people, I am doing like that. Okay. Then here minus 9. To understand you, I am doing it. It doesn't mean that people should do it the same thing here. Okay. And then the third one, 44 minus of minus 10 is dash 47 plus of minus 10. 44 minus of minus 10, that is 44 plus 10, that is 54 dash, here we do it 47 minus 3, that is 44. Here 54 or 44, which is greater? 54 is greater. So this number is greater. Yes. Then the fourth one, minus 21 plus of minus 22, which is minus 22 plus of minus 20. See here minus 21 plus into minus minus 22. Here minus 21 minus 22, that is minus 43. Let's see, minus 43. And here minus 22 minus 21, that is minus 43 again. Minus 43 minus 43, both are equal. So these are the symbols we can use it. See that what I have done in that bit, using a correct symbol between them, either less than or greater than or equal. When you can compare, it is a greater or less than or equal when you know that comparison of numbers. If you see basic operations of integers video, this you can understand very well. So I will try to keep that video in the description. You just watch it, or not in my channel in the playlist. You will be getting the same video in basic classes. There is a basic classes column in the playlist. There you will get it. Your third bit, 6.4, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. The first question in the fill in the blanks, minus 13 plus dash equal to 0. Second one, minus 16 plus 16 equal to dash. Third question, minus 5 plus dash equal to minus 14. And the fourth one, dash minus 16 is equal to minus 22. Very simple. Let's see. Minus 13. Here we have to take plus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 will be 0. Okay. Minus 16 plus 16 equal to also 0. So here we have to get minus 14. Already minus 5 is there. Minus 5. How many we need to add it here? Minus 9 we have to add to get the minus 14. Okay. Minus 22 is the answer. Already minus 16 is given. If you add minus 6, minus 16, minus 22. Minus 5, minus 9, minus 14. So I hope you understood this. Next we go for fourth bit. It is a simplify the question number 1. Minus 6, minus 5, minus of plus 2. Here minus 6, minus 5, minus into plus minus. See that all negative numbers. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 2. It is minus 11, minus 11, minus 13. You have to add all negative numbers, you will get a negative number only. So next one. Here minus 12 plus 42 minus 7 minus 2. It is a minus 12. It is plus 42 minus 7 minus 2. First you add all the negative numbers. Here there is a negative number. Here two are the negative numbers. Minus 12 minus 7 minus 19 minus 2 minus 21 plus 42. 42 minus 21 is 21. From 42 we can subtract the 21, we get 21. In that way you do. Or minus 21 plus 42 in the sense you may feel something difficult to understand. But in the reverse way you can do it. Plus minus. 42 minus 21 is 21. In that way. Okay. Or not, whenever you see one minus 1 plus or not, you have to subtract. The bigger number symbol will come as the answer symbol. Okay. And the third one. Minus 3 plus of minus 6 plus of minus 24. That equal to minus 3 plus into minus minus 6 plus into minus minus 24. All negative numbers we add it here. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 9, minus 24, minus 33. Minus 33. Okay, we go for the fourth question and the last question of this chapter. 40 minus of minus 50 and minus of 2. That equal to 40 minus into minus plus 50 and minus into, here there is nothing but plus only. If there is no symbol before the number, always plus we have to take. Minus into plus is minus. So 40 plus 50 is both are positive numbers. So add it, we will get 90 minus 2. That equal to 88. So I hope you understood these 6.3 and 6.4 operations of integers. Here the simple operations we have done, addition, subtractions only. Okay, based on their signs and how to represent the integers on the number line we have discussed. So you also watch my previous videos on the integers so that you can understand more better. In the future, you will never do any kind of mistakes. Only here these kind of problems where the plus and minus are there. Here lot of children may do the mistakes. So to avoid the mistakes, you have to watch this video once and twice very carefully and make it a notes to not to do the mistakes in the further. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.